What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This one's a little different. It's going to be a recap over the past 7 to 10 days, short little clips. So we've had some training, we've had Ezra finding his new little laugh and giggle he has, we've had Mother's Day, a lot has gone on. So I'll talk your way through it and show you little clips as we move along. You got to say anything? Hey? What you got to say? So we're going to kickstart this video with a little bit of training. It's been a while since the gym's been open, but been able to throw around some weights before and after. What are you doing? Nobody wants to see this. And we are back. So, like I was trying to say a second ago, thank you. I'm going to start this video with a bit of a fitness related bit. So, obviously, everyone is doing most of their... Here's the next clip.
For the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they.
Alright, this is your moment, big man. Okay, you tell them what you've done this week. Okay, you were flying like a spaceship. You watched the football with Daddy. You found a new laugh, and you're talking a lot, weren't you? Okay, so you're not meant to burp on camera. We've talked about this. Is that funny? So it was Mother's Day over the past 7 to 10 days, whenever this comes out now. And it was Jess's first Mother's Day, so we had a nice, we say chilled, but it wasn't quite chilled, was it? So you got Mummy some presents, didn't you? Yeah? So happy Mother's Day to all mums out there. Hope you had a lovely day and weekend. What day is it, Ez? What day is it today? Why is Mummy still in bed? Is it Mother's Day? Yeah. So it's Mother's Day today. Jess is having a little lie in. And we've got a couple of stuff, haven't we, Ed? Hey? Got her a few treats. Got some bath bombs, some chocolate, some sweets. I would say those flowers are for her, but they're not. She made them herself. Flowers. She didn't want flowers, but she's made like 30 packs yesterday. So, Mother's Day, and we'll wait for her reaction, won't we? So who'd have thought it takes a couple of days to wrap up a video, because this one isn't playing ball. Are you howling in the background? Trying to do a video. What is going on with this whole video this week? So yeah, not much has gone on really. A few things, but hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and we'll catch you on the next one. Say bye-bye. See ya.